So here we have co-founder of MAWD. James, welcome on the podcast. It's great to have you. Have you ever thought that you could be anything other than a designer?
Yes, I haven't. Well, maybe something in film or animation. I think it's still something creative.
Getting into architecture school itself, what's the story behind it?
One of my relatives gave me a Rotring pen for a birthday once, and I started getting into drawing technical drawings and getting more into that side of things and how you create and build things. AI is something different that's kind of creating imagery now that can be used as references that have maybe got more free form, flowing, different ideas, unusual combinations.
So what's the vision from here on from MAWD?
So we really want to expand here in the Middle East and to grow our Dubai studio, and really to make sure that we're at the heart of what's happening.